Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have a FabFitFun box that came, and this is probably the biggest FabFitFun box I have ever had. We are going to open this box, and I also have add-ons, which will be in a separate video. So give me just 1 minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to open this box on the floor because it's too heavy for me to hold it. So this is the Spring 2021 box, and it looks like this. Whew, can you hear? I'm just out of... I am out of breath. Okay, guys, I got this like 2 days ago. I have not been in it at all. Of course, I know what I'm getting because of the, I know the 5 things I'm getting because of the choices we are allowed to have. I am an annual member. Okay, guys, here is the box inside. If you guys want a FabFitFun box, you can go down into my description and click on my link. You will get $10 off your box. So like the box is $49.99 every 3 months is what this is, because you receive this 4 times a year. Your first box would be $39.99. So it's this is my 2nd year of doing this box, and I wouldn't trade it in. I love this box. So, this is the magazine. I kind of tell you about the magazine. Let me show you. Okay. I am getting a machine in here to go to my right-hand side where I will be able to look at the products and read to you, instead of just saying, oh, here it is, and it's $12.99. I am going to get to actually read about it, tell you the price, anything I need. So let me just kind of give you an example of... They're going to give you the products, how much the products retail for, and an explanation of the product. So, FabFitFun Spring Edition. Here we go. Here we go. Looking forward to this box. Please bear with me as I have to drink a lot today. I'm having a procedure tomorrow, and my Sjogren's syndrome with the dryness is coming out. You'll see me licking my lips a lot or taking drinks, but I'm so dry, just so dry. Oh, it's Hello Fresh. That's what it was I was telling you about. So there's coupons for different things like that in here. Let's start. Okay, let's start with this. There's a white box, guys. I don't know what it is. Get my glasses on. This would be very, very helpful to have glasses on. How you guys like my pink glasses? I went online, and those of you who don't know me, I'm actually blind, legally blind, and I went online and bought like a 6 power, which is my normal to read my iPad, a 5 or 6, and they came in a set of 5 for $12.99. I bought them. I broke my good glasses when I broke my arm or broke my elbow, and those are like $300, and I don't want to pay $300 when this does the same job. I'm not walking around with them, and yeah, they're plastic, but that's okay. I do not mind. Okay, let me pull up the item. Okay, So this item, I'm gonna have to move it this way. It is the pink Sky Cactus Cup with straw. $20 is the value on it. Okay, so this is not something I would use or decorate with. Maybe Robin from Robin's Closet, we can all send her our cups and she can get a set of all these because she loves cactus. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway or send it to somebody that would love it. Like I said, that's not something I would use. Or I do have 5 grandkids, so you never know. One of them might like it. We'll find out. So that is my first item. That is not an item I was able to pick. That is the item that they picked for you. Okay, this says Say, S-A-I-E, Say Beauty Makeup Rounds. There's 3 of them, and they are $15. So let me look at these. I think they're like the ones that you wash your face with. You know how you got the towels, and then they take all your makeup off? Yeah, they are. So, let me get through this. There's 3 of them. So, they're very fluffy, like a blanket fluffy. So, you take these and you run them under the water, and then you wipe all of your makeup off. It'll take your eye makeup off. It'll take your mascara off. And you just throw them in. I'll just throw them in with a, what do you call it? A delicate load. And they have the little ties on top. So that's super cute too. So not bad. I like that item. Okay, the next item is the Steel Mill and Company To-Do Planner bundle, and it is $45. So this is it here. I do not want to open this. This is going to be a gift for somebody. So inside it looks like it's got 2 pencils. It's got a ring bound, you know, the wire bound planner, and there's some stickers on the back. But I'm going to give this to somebody as a gift. I thought it was pretty neat. I've seen other people open it, and it looks like it's not, it doesn't say Saturday, March 10th or something like that. So this was a $45 value, and that is going to a gift for somebody. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Okay, so this is my next item. So this is number 4. This is the dental floss. Let's open it up. I've never used any dental floss like this. I mean, you use regular dental floss, but I've never... I can already smell it. It's like different tropical flavors. Okay. Let's see what I got. Oh, those smell good. Okay, so there's 1 in there. Not sure how to put it together yet, but I'm going to look at that in just a minute. So there's 1 in there. And then there's 2 flavors. And the 3rd one is already in there. So that's sweet. I like that. That was $28. Not a bad box so far, guys. Not a bad box. Oh, here we go. This is the new duffel bag. So look at this, guys. It's got daisies all over it. It is so cute. It's got like a ring on the side where you can hook a D-ring. It's got, what does this do? Let me see. Oh, there's pocket on this side. You see this? So this is a pocket right here. And then it's plain, and it's flat plain on this side. And then there's a pocket over here. So there's pockets on both sides, guys. This is super cute. I love this. I'm gonna try and open it. Hold on. You notice I always say try and open it. This is a great overnight bag. Look how big that bag is. See how big it is? So even up to me, I'm just gonna kind of put it up to me so you can see how big it is. If I put it on my shoulder. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Sweet. Sweet, sweet. Love, love, love that. That is such a great bag. I think it is navy. I might be wrong. It might be black. But I think it is navy with the little daisies on it. It also has a long shoulder strap if you don't want to hold the handle. So 2 pockets, 1 on each side. Flat on the front and the back. Inside there's a zipper pocket, like for your wallet or whatever you want to put in there. Keys. And I like it. Very beautiful. Let me tell you what this one is. Okay, so there it is right there. It says it is the Alice and Olivia Daisy Print Duffel Bag, and its retail value is $150. Oh my gosh. It is very thick though. It looks very well made, not a cheap item at all. Okay, let's see what else we got. Ooh, here's the matching hat. Okay, yeah, I am totally crazy, guys, but here is the matching hat. It is, I love it. I just love it. Let me find it on the, there it is. So it's the Alice and Olivia reversible bucket hat for $85. So I can wear it white or I can wear it daisy. So this is what I think about this. This is awesome because I go to the Caribbean a lot in resorts, and I always have to have a hat on. Okay, you gotta look at that, but because I burn so badly and it hurts my eyes. The sun makes it really, really bright for me. So, gosh, what a great box. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yeah. You know, I'm just throwing stuff around. Okay, I got 2 more items. Okay. So, I got a Ahava, which is awesome to get. I love this brand. I'm just running out of one of the face creams. Okay, so the Ahava Refreshing Cleansing Gel is $24. So this is good. This is a cleanser, but I do like the brand. Let's see if well, it's still sealed, and I don't want to unseal it because I'm not using it yet. Okay, and then this is my last item. My gosh, guys, this is awesome. I'm gonna just pull this out. Can you tell I'm excited about this box? Oh, this is pretty. They're barrettes. Look at these. Those are super cute. I love those. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so these say each Jules flower hair clips 2-pack is $30. So these are retailing at $30, and they are so cute. I'm gonna wear these. Definitely gonna wear these. Oh, guys, so I got the, I had to put it back here because it's so big. I got the bag, which is totally for me. I got the hair clips, so it's 2. I got the cleansing gel, which is 3. I got the bucket hat. Woohoo! which is 4. I got the dental floss, which is 5. I got the journal set, which is 6. And I got the rounds, which is 7. So I think that's everything. I think there's 7 items in here. Let me double check and make sure I got everything. So right now I'm actually on their website looking at my box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it says 8. So bucket, journal, hat, Ahava, barrettes, the dental floss, the cactus drink cup, and the rounds. Okay, that's everything. I forgot about the cup. So I have 8 items. I know maybe I look ridiculous, right? I'm telling you, I don't have it kind of sitting correctly, but I will be wearing this every time I go to the beach. And we are going in May, so I am so excited. I'm going to take my new duffel bag and my hat with me. So I hope you guys liked it. Subscribers, thank you, thank you, thank you. As always, I appreciate that you are here with me today. I appreciate that you like my videos and come back to see them. If you are not subscribed, I do lots of videos. Of course, I do reviews and subscription boxes, but I am also legally blind, so I do things just a little bit different than everybody else does it, but still get the same results, right? I do travel, I do vlogs, I do a little cooking, I'm on a keto diet, so I kind of do a little bit of everything. So if you'd like to join me, I would love to have you. I am working to get to a 250 subscriber giveaway. So the more that come in, the sooner that's going to come. And we just actually had one giveaway to Julia. And Julia, I got it. It's going to be in the mail and I will send that out to you. And once again, guys, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you all. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.